In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a signature request in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to Reports over here on the left on your dashboard, and then from inside Reports, we're going to have to open up a few different tabs to actually manage this. So over here on the left, it's first going to say Signed Documents, okay? So you want to click on Signed Documents, and then from here you'll see which of them are pending. So we have this random sample document over here, which is currently pending. So to delete a request, and of course this one does have requests because as you can see there's like two pending, you want to click on that specific one. So I'm going to click on this one over here, and you'll see of course the people this has been requested to. So there we go. As you can see, I have status and it's been requested to be basically sent or signed by two people. So to delete a signature request, you want to click on the X button next to a person to cancel that specific request, just like this. And then of course you're going to have to click on yes, cancel request, or if you want to cancel it for all the people, you want to click on more, and then of course you can do cancel all pending, and of course you can cancel all of them as well. Okay, so those are the two ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.